What up, what up, what up? It's your boy Stuntin, and I'm back with another video, man. And today is an epic video, man. We got some parts for Drac, man, that's gonna push it up there in the horsepower, man. You know I'm out here with the big dog, man, Jordan. Yes, sir. Yeah, so stay tuned for this whole video. We finna show y'all what we got going on, man, right here. Let's get it, let's go. Yeah.
Yeah, boy, you know he the man. YELLCAT, put your cat in the can. Pull up and pull off, it's something real fast. Drac out that trick, got my foot on the gas. We smoke out your block, no, we don't need no fan. Muscle the car, you can keep your sedan. Fish tail the wood like that trout in the pan. Stunner is killing me, rather than Prius. We fill up the street, yeah, them times be screeching. The squizzy be rapping, we swerving, we speeding. Hit it, subscribing it, liking, I mean it. Hit it, subscribing it, liking, I mean it. Squizzy.
All right, stunt squizzy, man. Y'all ready, man? Boy, this is the video y'all really been waiting to see, man. Now y'all know I got on my Carl's Trans Performance Transmission shirt. That's right, man. I dropped off the Trans. He hooked me up with a hat and a shirt yesterday. That's right, man. That's who we rock with. That's the same Trans that my big brother got hitting in the Chevy over there. Woo! It's gonna be a monster. Wait till Chi-Town Show and go. Y'all gonna get a chance to see. Woo! Yeah, he got some things in the works, man, but yeah, so Carl's got the Trans, man. The 400 is being built. Y'all seen in the other video. And man, just more and more stuff coming, man. But today, man, this the part y'all really been wanting to see.
Yeah.
Everybody been in the comment section. Yeah. This is it. Today is the day. We're about to show them, right?
Yep. Yeah,
all right, so Jordan gonna show y'all, basically break it down to y'all what we got, what we working with. You know what I'm saying? And he, you know, he still do his thing behind the scene, but he can show y'all some stuff.
Yeah,
but
you guys a little bit of stuff here.
Yeah.
All right, so
Let me show you something.
Reese actually has the turbo off of my car, crew cab.
That's right, man. I'm gonna put a little video clip of his car right here. Woo-wee. 5.3?
6.0.
6.0? Okay.
6.0
What size turbo?
92 millimeter.
92 millimeter turbo. Y'all see that snail right there? Yes, sir.
Oh man, I was wondering who stole my motor out my cup.
Boy, if you don't. Yeah.
Oh, we got a big turbo right
Oh yeah, he ain't playing no game. Hell yeah!
It's way too fucking wicked, man.
Please! Jesus Christ.
All right.
So we got the turbo. We already know what that turbo does.
Yes, sir.
Then I went ahead and got them. Real nice intercooler here.
Yes, sir.
Stand them up so you guys get an actual, you know.
Mm-hmm. Now that's the same one that you run on your car, right?
Exactly.
Okay, so we know it works.
We know it works. Everything we do works.
Exactly.
Factory, it works. Then we got you a real nice wastegate here.
Woo! Look at that thing. Look like a piece of jewelry, baby. Woo! Yes,
Nice
sir.
wastegate. And then we also got you a blow-off valve. gonna wrap this.
Y'all see it, man.
Yep.
That jewelry, boy, that's that go fast jewelry right there.
Yeah. This is the we're gonna call this the black hole because it never stops. It's never ending. Money pit.
I like that. I like that. Yeah, definitely. So, man, I keep telling everybody, man, I'm looking for, you know what I'm saying, probably close to, my goal ultimately is 1,000 crank horsepower. So that's going to equivalent to about probably what, 8 something, you know what I'm saying, after you deduct.
800 tires.
Yeah, 800 tires. So that's the goal, you know what I'm saying. You know, a lot of guys, you know, want to, you know, run those numbers, and I think 1,000, if you could just say you got that 4-digit number, man, a lot of people respect that.
Yeah,
so.
that's more or less bragging rights. You know, yeah, I got a 4-digit number.
Right.
But yeah, we're gonna set the car up on E85 and do the same thing that was already done.
Yeah.
Just on another level.
Yep. I've been hearing, man, people want you to drive their cars and all kinds of stuff, man. Tell them about how much response you've been getting, man.
I ain't gonna lie, I've been overwhelmed a little bit. Got a lot of response. Appreciate all the support from everybody. But yeah, I just want to do just the LS swaps. I don't want to tinker with the old dinosaurs. I like to get things moving in and out.
Right. And that's it,
Nope.
man.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, that's it, man. But y'all see it, man. He ain't playing no games. It's gonna be a winter project for us. We gonna definitely put it together over the winter. I gotta just enjoy the car for the rest of the summer. We gonna actually get this torn apart. He gonna have it all powder coated and everything and make it look nice. It's gonna look really good inside Drac. Of course, he's got brackets to make. He's got the tubing, the hoses, and all kinds of things. And then of course it's got to go to the tuner and all of that, you know, once it's all set up and everything. So hopefully we can man, just make some good power. And man, all y'all Stunt Squizzy, y'all, you know what I'm saying, y'all know where we coming from, man. We coming for that crown, man. Definitely, man, out here on the streets. And all y'all SRT Hellcat and Scat Pack owners, man, don't be trying to come upside of me once I get this, because it's over with. Yeah, y'all think y'all doing something right now, but it's gonna be a wrap, man. But yeah, man, I appreciate you, Jordan, man, for real, man. We also just ordered the brakes for Drac as well. Got those wheel woods on the way, man. Shout out to my brother, man, Jason, 815 Motors. Anybody need anything for your rides, man, as far as custom needs and anything like that. Also, collision, body work, paint. He's also doing that. Make sure y'all hit up Mr. 815 Motors. I think that's his IG. And he out here in Crest Hill. Yep, Crest Hill. You could definitely hit him up for any of that stuff as well, man. But yeah, that's pretty much it, man. So yeah, so y'all stay tuned, man. It's your boy, man. I'm super excited. Let's get it, let's go.
Wait, hold up. Do you want an opportunity to win cash and prizes every 1,000 subscribers right here on my channel? Well, it's simple. Just hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notifications, join the Stunt Squizzy, and you're in. It's that simple. And also at 100K, I'm giving away a custom Prius. So definitely pause the video right now, go hit that subscribe button, and then come right back to the video and finish it up. Let's get it, let's go.
All right, y'all, so y'all know, y'all heard me say something about putting the bar in the back of my car for the 5-point harness. Well, as you can see on his, he's actually got a full, like, what is this considered, like a half cage or something?
4-point.
A 4-point, okay, a 4-point. See, I'm not up on that, but yeah, this is a 4-point, but I want to get some type of bar in the back so that I can have my 5-point mounted, my harness, 5-point harness mounted in the car somehow, so that I can be safe when I'm you know, going faster speeds. Definitely want to be safe, man. That's the most important thing. You think I should change my seats, or
well, yeah, if you're gonna use a 5-point seat belt, it'd be best to get a seat that's gonna support that seat belt.
oh, okay, so this can't, okay, so this can't just come over the seat. It has
Some
to
people,
actually,
yeah, some people it does, but I mean, if you look at it, if you
that's what
put the
these,
camera here,
okay.
it's like,
Oh, okay, that's what those holes are specifically made for.
yeah, so it's
Okay,
like,
yeah.
unless you want that bunched up on the back of your seat.
Right. Oops. Damn. Yeah, right there. Y'all see it right there. I just bust my head. But yeah, no, yeah. Yeah, so that's what he was talking about. So if this will be bunched up over the seat if this doesn't come through these actual strap holes.
Yep.
And that's what these are designed for.
Right.
So yeah, I might need to change my seats, y'all. Y'all know I love my seats, but hey man, the most important thing is to be safe. Now these do recline, right?
Yeah, these seats, they recline and they slide back and forth.
Yeah, okay, so yeah, these are, yeah.
Yep.
So yeah, that might not be a bad choice to go with something like this. I mean, they look good. I like the feel of them. Can you get them in different colors, or are they pretty
Yeah,
much?
you can get them in red.
Okay,
At one
yeah.
point I was gonna do them red.
Oh, okay.
Inside red.
Yeah.
But yeah, they come in all colors.
Okay, cool. Well, we definitely got to check that out, man. NRG Innovations, guys. If y'all want to know what he running, those are, and he went with the G-Force Racing Gear belts, man. Pro Series. Yep. So yeah, man, if you plan on going fast, you definitely want to make sure that you are safe, because hey, fun is fun, but being alive is the most important thing. You want to be able to have fun and come home after having fun.
Hell yeah. 'Cause I wasn't driving this car right no damn seatbelts.
Right.
Before that 4-point, I'm like, man.
Right.
First fast turbo car.
Right.
I'm
So,
like, yeah, I'd rather be safe than sorry.
yep, big facts, man.
But on the cake side, we got Mike Burgoyne at MSC Race Cars. He actually made the 4-point.
Okay.
If he's too booked, then we got Crazy Eddie. And then you got Tim over at Bet It Up. I think he can handle it.
Okay, yeah.
Mike and Tim, they brothers, you know. They
Okay.
do their different thing or whatnot.
That's what's up, man. Shout out to Tim, man. Bankroll Tim, man. He hit me up on IG, man. Shout out to you, Bankroll, man. Appreciate you.
Yep.
Definitely, man. We're going to be paying a visit to his shop for sure. Checking him out. Yep. But that's pretty much it, man. Last but not least, man, Jordan just dropped off Drac, y'all, for the Posi and the gear.
Yep,
Right.
Posi gear.
Yeah, so it's over there, y'all. It ain't even here no more. So
yeah.
that's where the car is. So man, we are definitely in the right direction. Definitely, man, about to wake this thing up.
Yep.
I can expect a whole different feeling when I get it back with this Posi and this gear, right?
Yeah, I mean, we're doing the whole car, so it's like, got the motor done.
Yeah.
Damn near broke the trans. Got the trans dropped off, then turn around and damn near broke the rear end too. So that's upgrade the rear end.
Yeah.
Then now we're doing all this other stuff. Now we're going with a turbo too, brakes, I mean suspension, I mean it don't stop.
Yeah. But we finna have some fun, man. Like I
It's
told,
gonna be a gladiator.
like I told him, man. This the big brother. Drac gonna be the little brother. You know what I'm saying? But this gonna be a beast, y'all. I can't say what he got coming, and he don't want to say what he got coming, but trust me, monster. That's all I can say.
Yeah, we on some monster stuff.
Yeah, man, y'all better watch out at Show and Go, man. But yeah, but that's gonna close this video out, man. I appreciate all of y'all, man. Once again, thank y'all, man, for rocking out with me. Make sure y'all subscribe to my brother, man, Jordan at Sideways_production 67 on IG. That's the only way you gonna contact them. I don't want to hear about, oh, I'm old, I don't got an IG. You better get your old ass up and create an IG. Yep, and DM him what you want done, and he'll, you know what I'm saying, get back to you eventually, man. He got a long list of people, man, trying to get with him. So y'all know, I'm just saying, you know, he does good work, man. And when you do good work and, you know, people know that you serious and you got a passion, they gonna come, man. And it's just like that, you know.
Yep.
You know, it's just like that. So, but he appreciates you. I appreciate y'all, man. We out of here, man. I'll catch y'all on the next video. Peace.
Today's video is brought to us by the Street Whip Stuntin' Facebook group. If you're into custom cars, the big wheel culture, big wheel racing, or anything customized with cars, motorcycles, and trucks, make sure you join the Facebook group Street Whip Stuntin'. You can post all your pictures, all your videos, and it's free. So definitely click the link in the description of this video and join the Facebook group Street Whip Stuntin'.
Hey, subscribe, share. What does it? Like for you, nigga? Yeah, subscribe, square, like. Square?
I know.
Shit.
Alright, subscribe, square.
Yeah, subscribe, share,
And
like.
square.
It's square. And share.
Alright, back up.
Subscribe to my man.